So here is question number 8 from exercise 8.3. Amina buys book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? That means you have to find out the selling price. Cost price is already given, that is rupees 275, and the loss percent is already given, that is 15%. So here to find out the SP, you can use this formula CP into 100 minus loss divided by 100. So that will give you the selling price. So here we have the values like 275 we have here. Here I'll just write 100 minus the loss percent is 15% divided by 100. Now just I need to calculate it. So here we'll get 275 divided by 100 into 85. Now we have to calculate and we get the answer. You'll get 233.75. So you can say the selling price will be rupees 233.75 paisa. Here's the question number 9. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case, and the principal is given 1200 at 12% per annum, and the principal in the second part is given 7500 at the rate of 5% per annum. Now let me explain you what are these things, like what is principal, what is amount, what is this, and what is the rate and all. So here suppose there is a person and he is in need of money, okay, but he don't have money. So what he will do, either he will go to a bank, let's say this is a bank, and either he can go to a person, okay, or he's going to some person who's having a lot of money. So what he will do, when he will go there, he will took some money from it, like suppose he has taken money from the bank, that is rupees 100, or let's say he has taken X rupees. Now what, right now he don't have money, so what he will do, he will pay him the money back after some time. So let's say he is paying the money back to the bank at some interval at like after, let's say after 3 years or 2 years. So that is the time, okay. So time is this, like when he will pay back the money, so that is the time. So let's say in the first year it is 3, it is given here, so then he will pay the money. So after 3 years when he will pay the money, he will not pay him 100 rupees, okay. The bank charges some interest on it, okay. So the bank charges some interest, so that interest is in percentage. So here as in the first part it is given 12%, okay. In the first part the interest is given 12%. So now the 12% is given, so when he will pay him back, the money will not be 100 rupees, it will be something else. So here the interest is 12%, so instead of 100 rupees he will pay him back the same amount, that is this one. So this is the principal amount, okay. We say it the principal amount, like this one is the amount that that person has taken as a principal, and then 12% is the rate of interest, so that is denoted by R, and the time here it is T, okay. So now we need to find out the interest. Now for finding the interest we have the formula P into R into T divided by 100. So the principal is, for this question it is 1200, and then the rate is 12%, and then time is given, how much is the time, it's 3, then divided by 100. So this is the formula for finding the interest. So this extra interest is the extra money that he has to pay along with the principal amount. So here if you cancel out, so you will get rupees 432 is going to pay extra. So now this is the interest, that is called the simple interest. Now what he will pay back, that is called the amount, okay. So amount will be how much, he has already taken rupees, how many he has taken, that is the principal sum, and the interest that bring up you the amount. So here the principal, he took rupees 1200 and the interest is 432. So the total amount paid by him will be rupees 1632. So this amount he will going to pay. Now here in this case, if the interest is 12, then he is going to pay rupees 112 after 1 year. Suppose the time is 1 year, so he is going to pay 112 rupees after 1 year. So this amount will always be greater than the principal amount.